the dance of folding and unfolding. Sacred site number 1, fully folded, conception. High one, some unfolding, peeking out into the new world. Feeling encouraged to proceed. Sacred site number 2, implantation. Unfolded, going in deeply to the womb geology. Sacred site number 3, unfolded, receptivity, receiving the messages in your primal environment. Sacred site number 4, still unfolded, receiving the guidance to go ahead to the next level of folding. Taking all that unfolding and integrating it, circulating it. Sacred site number 5, folded, deeply hibernating, deeply integrating. Sacred site number 6, on the soul site of the mound underneath the big toe. Folded, deeply folded, finding your limbs, finding your relationship in this new density. Sacred site number 7, the crossroads between the folded and unfolded state. The crossroads, the network that orients you towards unfolding. Sacred site number 8, unfolded. Minimally unfolded to alchemize, make use of everything that has accrued to this level. Folding slightly more at this juncture for a deeper level of alchemization, of the massive level of integration that has already been transformed within you. This little being who is you is working so profoundly to manifest. Sacred site number 9, unfolding. This is a massive effort of unfolding to this level, to the back door of the heart, preparing for the territory of the heart to emerge, to link the mind and the body. Sacred site number 9, transition. Transition into the ultimate, expanded unfolding from the ascending level. Sacred site number 10 allows you to take the next step into the mystery. Staying unfolded, sacred site number 11 allows you to shoulder the responsibility that is appropriate, allows you to take on the meaning of life, your destiny. Sacred site number 12, unfolded. This site is surrendering to the choice you have made to be here, to manifest. Sacred site number 13, unfolded, giving the heart the capacity to integrate, to expand, to take in all that you know lies ahead. Sacred site number 14, descending and unfolded. This site allows you to digest what it means to be in a human body. Sacred site number 15. This is the descending, unfolded expression of the joy of life, reminding you to celebrate the choice you have made And after that celebration, a deep, deep, deep folding to sacred site number 16 on the lateral aspect of the ankle. This site builds muscular tone. This is the site of ultimate resilience, the embodied resilience that is available to everyone at every stage of life. This site allows us to expand muscularly, to have the fortitude and the power to meet the challenges of life, no matter what they are. Unfolding now in the development of our limbs, our capacity to reach out, our capacity to integrate from a motoric standpoint, sacred site number 17, in the valley underneath the wrist bone. This small site is miraculous as it brings together, connects everything you have experienced and gives you motoric incentive to operate out of wisdom and intelligence.